Hi, welcome to Introduction to Korean Alphabet. Koreans have their own writing system called Hangeul. This Korean alphabet consists of 24 basic characters, 14 consonants, and 10 vowels. Each letter is formed by using combination of consonant and vowel or by further adding lower consonant to it. In Lesson 1, you'll learn how consonants of Hangul is formed and pronounced. Lesson 2 will cover structure of Hangul with simple basic vowels. Lesson 3 will cover more complex structure of Hangul with multiple vowels. An easy way to remember 14 consonants is by visualizing how your body makes each sound. Square-looking consonant on top is called mium, and it makes m sound. This is the sound you get as you open your lips. Next, try which sound you get with your lips open and air through your teeth. You'll hear s sound. This time, let your tongue touch roof of your mouth and make a sound. I hear n sound. Let's then move down to the throat. When you make a vibration, you'll get g sound or k sound on a higher note. Last basic sound comes all the way from the airway. Open your mouth, clear everything, and let the air out from deep airway. This is the O sound we get. Rest of the consonants are deviations from the 5 basic consonants we just covered. Let's then deep dive into all consonants of Korean. The first consonant is called 기역. It is the g sound you get through vibration of your throat. It is very similar to the English G sound. 쌍기역 stands for double sound of 기역. There are not many English words with g sound. It is very similar to the Spanish and Italian word casa, chianti, que. The second consonant is called niun. It is the n sound you get as your tongue touches the roof of your mouth. It is very similar to the English n sound. The third consonant is called digut. Similar to n sound, you get the sound as your tongue touches the roof of your mouth. It is the same as English D sound. 쌍디귿 stands for double digut sound. It is a thick and heavy T sound, very similar to the Spanish word tiempo. English word theater, 30, sounds close enough, but they're not exact matching sounds. Liul is the fourth consonant and also grouped as other tongue sounds such as niun and digut. Liul makes similar sound to the English L or R sound. The fifth consonant is called mium, which is the M sound. The sixth consonant is called piup, which is the P sound. Piup is deviated from the basic consonant mium because you make the B sound by pushing more air out through your lips than you would do for M. Piup also looks like extra air pushed out of the square-looking mium. 쌍비읍 stands for double biup sound. It is a thick and heavy P sound, very similar to the Spanish words padre, pollo, and an Italian word piazza. Shiot is the sound you get with your air through your teeth. It is similar to soft S sound as found in the English words such as sweet, screen, small. 쌍시옷 is similar to the strong S sound as found in the English word such as seasoned, song, soul, and sun. Iung is a sound through the airway and do not have distinct sound on its own. Consonant iung is used for the airy vowel sound because Korean word must start with a consonant. Jiut is a deviation of shiut and similar to J sound in English. When writing jiut, an extra line is drawn to the basic consonant shiut, which also indicates that jiut belongs to the same sound group as shiut. 쌍지읒 stands for double jiut sound. It is a thick CH or J sound, very similar to the Spanish words chiquito and an Italian word cinqueterre. Chiut is another deviation of shiut and similar to CH sound in English and certain C sound, such as in chow. Chiut is written by adding extra lines to the basic consonant shiot, which also indicates that chiut and jiut belong to the same sound group as shiot. Kyuk is a deviation of the very first consonant kiok and similar to certain C sound as in the English words crane, cream, and K sound such as in kiwi and Korea. Kyuk is written by adding extra line to the basic consonant kiok, which visualizes extra air coming out of throat when making k sound. Tiut is a deviation of the third consonant tigut and similar to T sound in most English words. Tiut is written by adding extra lines to the second basic consonant niun, which visualizes extra air pushed around tongue from basic N sound. Kyup is also a deviation of the fifth consonant mium and similar to P sound in most English words. Piup is written by stretching out top and bottom lines of the square-looking basic consonant mium. This visualizes extra air being released from wider open lips to make P sound. Hiut is the last consonant and sounds similar to H sound in most English words. Sound is made through the airway with extra air being pushed out, which is indicated by two extra lines added to the airy sound O. This ends the first easy Korean alphabet lesson covering all consonants of Korean. In lesson 2, you learn basic vowels and how to read simple Hangul words. Hope you find this video helpful and please subscribe to my channel for more easy Korean lessons.